In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post Constant Contact newsletter on Facebook. If you have already sent a newsletter through Constant Contact, the good news is that you can share that same message to your Facebook page without recreating everything from scratch. In this walkthrough, I will guide you through the exact buttons to click, and I will also explain what you should look for so you feel confident as you go. To begin, open your Constant Contact account and head to the Channels area. You will see a menu option that says Channels, and from there you want to choose Emails. This is the section where Constant Contact keeps track of emails you have created and sent. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right place, because choosing Channels and then Emails ensures you will be able to locate the specific message you want to share. Once you are on the email screen, find the email that you already sent. Look through the list of emails for the one that matches the newsletter you want to post. This may be easier if you remember the name of the newsletter or the approximate time you sent it. When you find the correct email, you are ready for the next action, which will let you share it to Facebook. Now click the three-dot menu, shown as a small symbol, like a vertical ellipsis, for that sent email. In the instructions, it is listed as clicking the ... or a My menu. The reason for using this menu is that it contains sharing options and other actions related to the specific email. After you click it, a small set of options will appear, and you will select the one that lets you share the content. From that menu, click Share. This step is important because it signals to Constant Contact that you want to distribute the newsletter through a social channel. After you click Share, you should see choices for where to post, along with buttons that guide you through the sharing flow. Next, click Post on Social. This option tells Constant Contact you want to publish the newsletter content on a social media platform rather than emailing it again. When you click Post on Social, you may be prompted to connect to a social destination, or choose one, depending on your setup. After selecting Post on Social, you will be asked to select your Facebook page. Click to choose the Facebook page you want to use. Make sure you select the correct page, especially if you manage multiple pages. This is the step where you are telling Constant Contact exactly where the newsletter will appear. Once you have selected the correct Facebook page, you are ready to publish. Click Post Now. This is the final action in the process, and it tells Constant Contact to post the newsletter right away, using the settings and content from your sent email. At this point, give it a moment to process. Depending on your browser and network, the posting action may take a few seconds. After it completes, you should be able to return to Facebook and see the post on the selected page, usually in your timeline or feed area. And that covers everything you need to know. You successfully found your sent Constant Contact email, used the share options, selected your Facebook page, and clicked Post Now to publish the newsletter. And that is all there is to it.